Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Isomac espresso machine. We replaced the power switch here. See it right there. And now the machine's working well. And the customer didn't bring a portafilter, so we won't be pulling a test shot, but we have nice hot water coming out. See, we have a good stream, and you can also test the steam. It'll take a little bit for the steam to come up to temperature. This is a single boiler Isomac machine, so it has a low and a high mode. So low mode is for when you are making shots of espresso, and high mode is when you want to steam. And if you put it in high mode, then you have to cool the boiler in order to make your coffee, or else it'll just basically steam and burn the coffee and not do much. So just waiting for it here. Just waiting for that one light to go off. Right there next to the steam. On the left. Oh, sorry, it was the one on the right that went off. I was mistaken. And then we'll test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.